Arav, your mic is not working. Beta, you can.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. If you have any doubts, you can send messages, text messages in the chats. Chaitanya Agarwal is there? Not there? Again, absent. Chaitanya Agarwal again absent. Okay, so 18 students have joined. Yeah. Yesterday I gave you a question which we were not able to complete. The question was, what is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when it is 4:40 in the clock? Yeah. When the time is 4:40 in the clock, what is the angle between, आप सबको पता है जब 4:40 होता है clock में, then it is something like this. The minute hand is pointing somewhere here between 4 and 5, and the hour hand is pointing at 8. Sorry, hour hand is pointing at between 4 and 5, and the minute hand points at 8. So this angle you have to find out when the time is 4:40. So how will you do it? So first of all, I told you a concept to do this question. The first step is to you find, मान लो कि minute hand 12 पर है and then minute hand is at 8. First you find this whole angle. Then second thing what I told you, second step is to, मान लीजिए ये आपका minute hand है, it is pointing at 12 and then it is pointing between 4 and 5 somewhere here. You find this angle and now you subtract from this angle, you subtract this, so you will get this angle. बताता हूँ मैं. I will draw this in one figure also. So if you from this angle, this whole angle, if you subtract this from angle 1, if you subtract angle 2, you will get angle 3. Okay, so let me draw all this in one figure. मान लो ये है, सिंपल सा मैथ्स का कॉन्सेप्ट है, कुछ नहीं है. तो these are the minute hands and this is your hour hand, first pointing at 12 and then pointing between 4 and 5. So when you, if you want to find this angle, what you have to do, from this complete angle you subtract this. Okay, so this complete angle is angle 1. Angle 1 is your complete angle, and from the complete this whole angle you subtract this much, angle 2. You from angle 1, if you subtract angle 2, you will get angle 3. This remaining part you will get. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है मेरी बात? Are you all getting what I am trying to do here? कैसे
Yes,
करेंगे?
sir.
Yes, sir.
But what we have to do, this you all have understood. Now how we are going to do this we will discuss. Okay, so first of all, angle 1 कैसे निकालेंगे? This is minute hand 12 से लेकर के 40 तक कितने देर में, what is the time it takes to reach from 12 to 40 minutes? This is 40 minutes. Am I right or not? Minute hand के ये कितने minutes हो गए? 40 minutes हो गए.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right? तो 40 minutes में कितने angle, 40 minutes में कितना
240.
It
So
is
240.
240 degrees. Okay, so for this if you find
Sir, 240.
yeah, 40 minutes, this is 40 minutes and it is equals to 240 degrees. Okay, now let us talk about this. ये जो टाइम है ये आपका कितना है? ये पता है कितना है?
Sir, 140 degrees.
one minute. This is your hour hand. Hour hand कितनी देर में 12 से लेकर यहाँ तक आया? पता है कितनी देर में आया?
4 hours 40 minutes.
यहाँ पे कितनी देर में आया? 4 hours 40 minutes में आया.
40 minutes.
4 hours 40 minutes में आया है hour hand यहाँ पे. This is your hour hand. This is minute hand. Minute hour hand ये है ना यहाँ पर. Hour hand is pointing between 4 and 5. Our hand is pointing between 4 and 5. 4 और 5 के बीच में कितनी देर में आया है our hand? 4 hours 40 minutes because time is 4:40. Time कितना? 4:40.
4:40.
So 12 से 4 और 5 के बीच में कितनी देर में आया है यहाँ पर our hand? 4 hours 40 minutes. This is what the position of our hand. Am I right or not? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4 hours.
Yes, sir.
So can you
Degree.
find
Yes.
that our hand 4 hour 40 minutes 4 hour 40 minutes में कितना एंगल कवर करता है? Find the angle and tell me.
140 degrees.
40 degree.
Do you all know how
140 degrees.
140 degrees? Do you all know how to find this? Our hand 4 hour 40 minutes में कितना एंगल कवर करेगा? 140 degrees. Okay. 4 hour 40 minutes का मतलब मिनट्स में कितना होता है? Let me tell you. This is equals to in minutes it will be
280
equal to
minutes.
280 minutes.
280 minutes.
280 minutes अगर मैं इसको मिनट्स में कर लूं और एंगल अगर मैं निकालूंगा it will be 440 degrees. Clear? Now मुझे करना क्या था? I have to subtract angle 1
Subtract.
minus angle 2 to get angle 3. Angle 3 कैसे मिलेगा? Angle 1 minus angle 2 करके. So angle 1 is 240. Angle 2 is 140. And if I subtract these two, I will get angle 3. So what is angle 3? 100 degrees. Understood?
100
all of you?
degrees.
Now, is it clear to all
Yes,
of you?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आप सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, please tell how to find the degree of the angle 2. Oh, sir.
Angle 2, how to find this? आपको इतना क्लियर है कि our hand कहाँ से कहाँ पर है? Starting position क्या है our hand की? 12. और फिर बाद में कहाँ है? Between 4 and 5. तो ये कितनी देर में यहाँ पर आया है? 4 और 5 के बीच में कितनी देर में आया our hand? 4 hours 40 minutes में. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So our hand की starting position is 12 and final position is between 4 and 5. So to reach from 12 to 4 and 5, our hand has taken 4 hours 40 minutes. So this much time the hour hand has taken. You have to just find that in 4 hours 40 minutes, what is the angle covered by the hour hand? So this you have already done many times in the starting of the topic. मैंने आपको यही कराया था कि 4 hours 40
Yes, sir.
minutes में hour hand कितना angle cover करेगा? You all know this. Do you want me to tell again how to do this? देखो 1 minute में hour hand कितना cover करता है? 0.5 degrees. याद है? तो 280 minutes में
Yes, sir.
280 minutes में कितना cover करेगा? 280 multiplied by 0.5 यानी कि 140 degrees. Clear or not? What is the angle?
Okay, sir.
140.
Yes,
140
sir.
degrees. Now, if you subtract 1 and 2, you will get angle 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Now, next
Yes,
one.
sir.
Next one. Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to tell me what is the angle between hour hand and minute hand when the time in the clock is time change कर रहा हूँ question same ही है. Now the time is 6:45. Time is 6:45.
Sir, 90 degrees.
6:45.
Sir, 90 degrees.
$90 is wrong. $90 is not correct.
Sir, what was the time previously? 4:40 minutes.
It was 4:40. Now the time is 6:45.
So please repeat the question.
What is the angle between hour hand and minute hand when the time is 6:45?
Okay.
Sir, the answer will be 67.5 degrees.
Sir, 70 degrees.
What is your answer, all of you? Amin and who else?
67.5.
Sir,
67.5
70
degrees.
degrees.
Navya, what is your answer?
70 degrees.
70 degrees. Okay, we will check the answers. Just wait.
Sir, it's just a guess. I'm doing it right now.
Others are doing, or may I tell the answer?
Sir, my answer is 67.5 degree.
Aditya Mishra is saying 67.5.
And I also 67.5.
Karthik Chauhan is also saying 67.5. Board is clear.
Yes, sir, absolutely clear.
मार्कर का पेट खाली है.
So nowadays it is very cold outside.
Nowadays what?
Sir, nowadays cold is coming.
Cold, yes.
Winters are coming.
Yeah. It is getting cold day by day. So Mishra ji, any special plans for winters?
Sir, stay protected from virus. I have heard that in winter the virus reproduces a lot.
Yes. Virus becomes more powerful in winters.
So sir, we need to be more careful.
You need to be more careful. You need to eat more dates and dry foods in winters. and fruits, dry fruits, vegetables, vitamin C.
And sir, we need to sit 1 hour or half hour in sunlight.
Yeah, very
Sir,
good.
my answer is 57.5.
Very good. You have to sit in sunlight. So Aditya Kumar Gangwar, what is your answer?
57.5.
57.
And sir, mine is 67.5.
Muskan's answer is 67.5.
Sir, please tell the correct answer.
Okay, I am doing it here. Okay. पहले क्या करना है, एंगल 1 निकालना है, 45 डिग्री एंगल निकाल लो. सॉरी 45 मिनट्स में मिनट हैंड कितना का
Sir,
होगा?
it will be 67.5.
मिनट हैंड, अगर हम मिनट हैंड को देखें तो मिनट हैंड हैज मूव जस्ट 45 मिनट्स. मिनट हैंड का मूवमेंट कितना है? 45 मिनट्स का. तो
Sir, 45 into 6 is equal to 270.
एंगल 1 क्या है आपका? 1 मिनट में कितना मूव करता है मिनट हैंड? 6 डिग्री. 45 मिनट्स में कितना मूव करेगा? 45 into 6
270.
270 डिग्री. दिस इज एंगल 1. मिनट हैंड का निकाल लिया आपने. अब आवर हैंड का अगर बात करें तो आवर हैंड हैज मूव्ड हाउ मच? आवर हैंड हैज मूव्ड 6 hours 45 minutes.
6 hours 45 minutes.
आवर हैंड का मूवमेंट कितना है? 6 hours 45 minutes का मूवमेंट. आवर हैंड का टोटल मूवमेंट देखेंगे, लेकिन मिनट हैंड में केवल ये मिनट्स वाला मूवमेंट देखेंगे. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, getting sir.
For the minute hand, you have to look at only the minutes, and for the hour hand, you have to look at the whole time. So 6 hours 45 minutes. 6 hours 45 minutes. And when you, after converting this in minutes, you will multiply this by 0.5. You will get your answer in degrees. So 6 hours 45 minutes. कितने हुए minutes में? 6 into 60. 360 plus 45.
Sir, 202.7.
Is it 405?
Sir, 405 minutes.
Into 0.5. What is this?
202.5.
202.5
202.5.
degrees. Now angle 3 is equals to angle 1 minus angle 2.
67.5.
67.5.
Sir, 67.5.
270 minus 202.5 degrees. This is 67.5 degrees. Answer is 67.5 degrees. Got
Yes,
it,
sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
तो ये एंगल 1 जो निकाला है हमने, दिस इज फॉर मिनट हैंड. दिस इज ओनली फॉर द मिनट हैंड. मिनट हैंड. Then angle 2 is movement of the hour hand. This is movement of the hour hand. Then you find the difference. दोनों के बीच.
Sir, my full answer is correct. Only multiplication angle 1 is wrong.
Instead of 270, you have written 260. I think.
260.
Yes. बिना देखे कॉपी में बताएगा मैं. Okay, next question. Let me think of a good question. I will just take few seconds. Okay, same type of question, another question of same type. Not much variety is left. This is which question number? Can you tell me the question number?
12.
12.
12.
Sir, 12.
Okay. So I want the answer quickly from you all of this one. The time is 7:50, not 7:50. Wait, not 7:50. 7:20. Time is 7:20. Find the angle between the hour hand and minute hand.
So the question is same.
Question is do it.
Sir, answer is 100 degrees.
So answer is 100 degrees.
Yes, are you all giving the answer?
Sir,
Sir,
100
100
degrees.
degrees.
Yes, sir. Please wait.
100 degrees.
Sir, answer is 100 degree.
100 degree again.
Yes, sir. 100 degree.
Okay. 4,
Yes, sir.
40, 720.
Sir,
100 degrees. So first we will talk about minute hand. Angle 1 निकालेंगे. Minute hand. Minute hand has moved. The angle covered by the minute hand is 20.
Sir, it is 100 degrees.
Yes, sir, it is 100 degree.
Angle covered by the minute hand is 120 degrees. And what about angle 2?
Yes, sir, 100 degree.
The angle 2 is the angle covered by the hour hand. That means 7 hour 20
Sir,
minutes.
Sir, it will be
पहले तो
440.
ये टाइम को आप मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे and then you multiply this by 0.5. You will get the
Sir,
angle.
440 minutes into 0.5.
Sir, answer will be
0.5.
220.
7 into 6 is
220.
420
Sir,
plus
answer is
440
So
divided
440.
by 0.5. You get
220.
220 degrees.
220.
220.
20 degrees. Now in this
Angle
case,
three is-
angle 1 is smaller. No problem. If angle 1 is smaller, then you will subtract angle 1 from angle 2. That means angle 2 पहले लिखेंगे और angle 1 माइनस कर देंगे. No problem in this. कहीं ऐसा कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. पता लगा you subtract.
No, sir, no problem.
Angle 1. Answer minus 100 degree नहीं बोलेंगे. You will subtract angle 1 from angle 2. That means angle 2 you will write 220 minus 120. Answer is 100 degrees. Very good. Absolutely correct. So I think this topic is over. Let us start with the new topic. If I will think of some more questions of this type. If I think of some more good questions, I will definitely share with you all.
A worksheet of this interview.
Not a worksheet. मैंने copy में note करा दिया. Yeah, I will look for a worksheet also. If I get a worksheet, or I will try if I get time. I will make a worksheet and I will. Okay, don't worry. So, but this is sure that whichever type of questions we are going to do in the class, only those type of questions are going to come in your exams also. Okay. I hope there is no problem in this. And
Or do we will have
Okay,
subjective
sir.
type question also?
sorry,
Or do we will have subjective type questions also?
subjective no. In reasoning, you will always have objective questions. Only MCQs. Always. Even if it is
And in
on,
the other subjects?
then also
Sir,
you will
subjective
have
will be on. Sir,
in
subjective
your
will be
other
on Google
subjects,
form
main
only.
subjects, let me speak in other main subjects like English, Hindi, Math, Science, SST, in all these subjects, you will have your question paper subjective as well as objective. Objective will be 60%. That means 24 marks mostly in most of the subjects. Whatever. Like in maths, if you have your maths exam, UT exam, in your UT exam, 24 marks will be objective and 16 marks will be subjective. So
Sir,
total
there will be objective questions in maths.
in maths also, yes. 24 marks objective and 16 marks subjective. Matlab, you have to solve and show the solution. Matlab PDF. You will have to send PDF for 16 marks and 24 marks will be on Google Form. Like there it was in half yearlies. Okay. Half yearlies it was of 80 marks. Now in UT2 it will be of 40 marks.
Sir, there will be Google Meet.
Whatever, I think it will be on Google Meet and or maybe Zoom, whichever app is said by the school, the management, whatever they say, we will have to do it. So it will be either on Zoom or on Meet, but it will be of both the types, objective as well as subjective. 40 total marks will be 40 and 16 marks it will be subjective and matlab more, I'm telling you a round figure, matlab whatever the proper figure is, it should be like this. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. So this is the way. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, the next topic that we will do is your coding and
Coding and decoding.
coding and decoding. Do we have a class
So we
tomorrow?
have done this.
Yes, we have done this. Just a quick revision we will have. We will try to finish this in one more period today and one more period. Do we have a period tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Which one?
Third.
Sir, third.
Third only.
So total, how many periods I have in your class in a week?
6.
6.
I think on Saturdays we don't have a period. Saturday we have a period.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No, sir,
sir.
we don't
Yes,
have.
sir.
Sir,
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 Wednesday,
because
on
Tuesday we
Wednesday
have
you
2 periods.
On Wednesday we have 2 periods.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Wednesday.
Coding and decoding. So for this, I am telling you a very good trick for this. If you write the English alphabets in this order, in most of the questions you can simply look at the manner, the way it is written, and you can easily give your answers. So first of all, the first thing that you will note down in this coding and decoding, you note down A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D, all the alphabets like this. In the manner I am writing, you will write like this. A, B, C, D. थोड़ी जगह ज़्यादा ले रहा हूँ मैं. I think आएगा नहीं इतने में. A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, U, A, L, M. इतना लिखो पहले. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. सही लिखा है मैंने, गलत तो नहीं लिखा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. M is the
Written.
13th letter. उसके बाद M के नीचे लिखेंगे N. A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So write like this and then write numbers on them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So you all must write it like this.
Written, sir.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Okay. So we will straight away start with some questions. You will understand what the topic is very easily.
Sir, done.
Sir, approximately 6 minutes are left.
Okay. Yeah. Question number 1 on this topic. In a certain code, LION, lion, is written as, in a certain code, the word lion is written as ORLM. What is the code for? You have to tell what is the code for. So there are few parts of the question. First part, what is the code for the word zebra? Second, what is the code for
Sir, done. Zebra.
Tiger. Tiger.
bread? Third, what is the code for India? Bus, 3 parts. Identify the.
Sir, can I tell the answer of first two? First two?
Sir, can I tell the answer?
First two.
Lakshanya, give the answer of the first one.
Sir,
Sir,
first
can I tell all?
answer is AVYIZ.
Very good.
Sir, can I tell the second?
Sir, what you have written in the
Sir,
third
can
one?
I tell the third?
Yeah, IND.
Can I,
Can I tell the last two?
India.
sir, can I tell
Over
second?
there.
Second.
Sir, can I tell
Can
the
I?
third one?
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I tell? Sir,
Sir,
can
can
I
I tell
tell?
second?
Aditya Gangwar.
Sir, can I tell third?
Aditya Gangwar, second one.
The YIVZW.
YI.
Sir, can I tell the third?
Sir, can I tell the
Sir, can I
last?
Sir,
tell
can
the
I tell
third?
third
Sir,
one?
can I tell the third
Sir,
one?
can I tell the third?
The third.
Sir, third.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir,
May I tell
Sir.
the third one?
sir, can I?
Sir.
Sir, may I tell the third
Sir,
one?
sir.
Okay, Lakshya Kumar will tell the third.
Sir, India will be RMWRZ.
R M
RMWRZ.
W R Z. Absolutely correct. So, yeah, Laksh beta, जरा मुझे तीनों के आंसर बताओ एक बार. First one, the answer is
The first one is AVYIZ.
AVYIZ. Second
The
one,
second one is YIVZW. VZW.
Third one,
RMWRZ.
R. Check your answer. Anything? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, correct.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good.
Sir, please mute yourself.
Keep your mics off.
Yeah, please mute yourself.
Yeah. Question 2. Ready for the next one? हटा देंगे.
Yes, sir, ready.
Again, you will find the code for zebra, bred in India. Coding is done for the word.
So less than 1 minute is left.
Acha, only 1 minute, less than 1 minute is left. So 1 minute to मुझे question बनाने में ही लग जाएगा. Switch on your camera.
Sir, tape.
देख लूं कौन कौन हो क्या है. Tandon Saab, how are you?
Sir, fine. मिश्रा जी कैसे हैं? मिश्रा जी अंधेरे में क्यों बैठे हैं आप?
सर अंधेरे में नहीं बैठा हुआ, बाहर से लाइट आ रही है, सनलाइट.